Drew back again on Crook's Corner, another South Carolina dash cam drive-through. Today we're visiting the town of Pamplico, South Carolina with a drive-through dash cam video. One of the easiest ways to know when a municipality, when you're within their city limits, are sidewalks. As you see on the right side, there's a sidewalk there. This is a very rural area of South Carolina. So, well, it's only about 30 minutes from Florence, but other than that, it's very rural. So, sidewalks, and I mention that because there's a welcome sign, but you see there's about 40 minutes of film. So, how I know I was in Pamplico, or town limits Pamplico, is the sidewalks. This particular part of the state would not have just had sidewalks on the side of the road because it's in the middle of nowhere, just about. So that you know they had to pay for that. There's another IGA. I'm telling you, Florence County, the small towns are filled with IGAs. Anyway, I went to the Pamplico town website instead of Wikipedia for the information I'm about to pass along. Pamplico has less than 1,500 people in it as of the 2010 census, and according to its town council's website, it used to be one of the biggest tobacco markets in the state, especially in the 1950s and 1960s. Here we are entering into kind of like a quasi downtown, because I saw pictures on their website and it looked like there was more of a centralized downtown. I guess you would have had to go straight there instead of take that left turn. However, I'm not quite sure. They're just really, they have less than 1,500 people and have this much area. You know, you'd think it'd be a little bit easier to find it, but it wasn't. So, but quickly, as you see, the forest or trees are retaking the landscape. However, we still have that sidewalk, which means we're still in town limits. It's pretty soon here you'll see the sidewalk will end and we will be out of Pamplico. But until then, just sit back and enjoy.